Prife International proudly introduces the revolutionary, all-new iTeraBio Lite, a foot massager that comprehensively enhances overall well-being. Human feet are said to as the second heart of the body, with meridian points linked to each vital organ through energy channels and regulate the major system in the body. Strengthen the body's core and keep diseases at bay, safeguarding your health starting from your feet. The Prife iTeraBio Lite, presenting world-leading 3+1 core technologies and multiple energy effects. It features TeraHertz Waves resonate with body cells, vibrating billions of times per second. Sinusoidal energy to speed up cell movement and activate vitality. Far infrared technology to warm feet, conduct throughout the body, promote relaxation and relieve tension. Pulsed electromagnetic field, a cell charger for the body's trillion cells to alleviate discomfort. Experience 5 core functions, just 30 minutes to step you into a healthier life. 5 unique patents combine innovation and high-end technology to meet modern health needs. The iTeraBio Lite combines the best of Eastern and Western medical principles with cutting-edge technology and a sleek design, making it perfect for users of all ages. This family-friendly device offers enjoyment and health benefits for everyone. iTeraBio Lite unlocks a new code of health, empowering you to a giant step that embarks on a new journey of life.